fire. What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video on the Rad Potential YouTube channel. Figured I would show you guys. Ended up taking a trip up to LS Fest in my Corvette, aka my pre-LS swapped RX7, and just wanted to show you guys some cars. So I'm going to talk you through a few of them, and then we're going to hop right to driving the first gen, ripping up some back roads, and a new point of view. So right off the rip, walking in the show, I found a primered FD LS swapped. We've got an R33, I think GTR LS swap, not all-wheel drive. Actually, it's an R32. Welcome to the chop zone. Big caddy rolling past. Next up, we have some of the sickest cars here. We have a LS single turbo 135. We have a LS NA E90 sedan. And then we have a single turbo LS E92. Now, I used to have a 335 that was big turbo. Now, this is the Justin car right here. This is a single turbo LS E46 wagon, and it's got Bluetooth intercooler right here, if you noticed. Not hooked up, but hey, it's out the hood. This car, by far my favorite one at the show. The CYM's a little off, but super clean LS swap, just stock. Now, I found an FC. Oh wait, it's actually a Porsche 944. It's got a really nice LS motor in it. I don't know enough about LSs to tell you what's up, but this truck is going to be like Calvin's truck, except we're going to use a rotary. It looks like this has fifth-gen Camaro rear subframe kind of stuff, which is the same as the G8, or it's really close. So get stoked for that build on the channel as well. Next up, though, something that was super sick. This is a Vega. It's like a Group B Rally Vega. I mean, this thing is wide body. It's got a sick wing. It's got a sick livery. It's got like Audi UR Quattro level flares on it. I'm sure under the hood was just as sick as these plaid seats. This thing was awesome. So stoked to see this car. Should have got more footage of it. Lastly, we have a WRX. It's not all-wheel drive though, but does have an LS. And I found another FC on the way out. So thank you guys for checking it out. We're going to hop right into the driving footage now. Hope you enjoyed that. Okay, welcome to Need for Speed driving experience in a 1979 Mazda RX-7. Man on a tractor. Ah. Alright guys, if you guys enjoyed riding along in the 1979 Turbo 2 first gen RX7, give the video a thumbs up. Love to hear your comments down below, anything else you want to see about the car, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Keep it rad.